Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. फ्रेंडली हो गया दोस्ताना। मंगूस हम नेवला को कहते हैं, कश्मीरी में हम इसको कहते हैं नूल। A farmer, his wife and their small child lived in a village. Ekis गामस मंज ٲस اکھ किसान बे तसन खानदारी बे ٲس تمن लۄکُٹ बच्चہِ. There was also a baby mongoose in the house. In this garas manz was baby mongoose te, who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. Amos believe karan ke you say mongoose ya say ben son's friend son companion future manz. One day the farmer and his wife went out leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Ek do farmer yani kisan te be imsan khandari umdrai or motho bach mongoose nish. At story में पढ़ो इस इमें दलील हम चाहत बैन लाइन्स विन पढ़ो इस story विन करो story start. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. एक दो सोस अक किसान बेआस उसमिस खानदारी बेउसमन लकुड़ बच मासे सिक्स गाँवस में रोज़ां. They loved him very much. तम उसमिस पनिस बच सख मोहब्बत करां प्यार करां. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. Ek do one farmer asas ki zururi ak pet asan. When our son grows up, yela son nichu board guys, he will need a companion. Misas pe sathi sanzorat. This pet will be our son's companion. You see, peta yase ban yase Roy's son's companion sathi. His wife liked the idea. Im's khandari khoti idea pasand. One evening the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Ek dasun kisan yuthi chair gara wapas sham time. Dama yuthi asi ya imasun panaseta klokut mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife. Imsan khandari un ye lakut bach, but will soon be fully grown. Magariges board, he will be friend of our son. Yase ban sins nichasun dos. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. दोनों एक बढ़े दोनों लोग बढ़ने बच्चे लोग बढ़ने mongoose के लोग बढ़ने. In 5 or 6 months the mongoose had grown to its full size. तो इस पता कि उस जानवरों में growth जल्दी का सा इंसानों में growth जल्दी का सा कि पांचन शेन रहते mongoose वरिया board मिस यासे को sizes में board वरिया board आसे को ये पांचन शेन रहते a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Eyes shining eyes, black eyes, and a bushy tail. यहाँ से गो बूढ़ा से बने ये मंगूस. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. Farmer सुन कैसे इंसानों में सुन growth जल्दी कैसे है? Farmer सुन नीचे उस winter cradle में sleeping and crying alternately. Atios shunga, atios brasa, atios asai. यहाँ से उस at cradle में. One day the farmer's wife went to go to the market. Ek do gay use farmer's khandari. Em do bossagas market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Timchano bach dot patronat cradles mons. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband. Em tujet zain toker tujim zain tujim dry bazar kun to magar tim brut one impenes khandaras. I am off to the bazaar. Basegase bazaar, the baby is sleeping, bachas shingyat. Keep an eye on him. Bachas kun the nazar. Frankly, I do not like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Frankly, bas bisni yasa ki pan bach mongoose nish kunuzuni thaun. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. Sumu dar ki, sumu khots ki. The mongoose is a friendly animal. Such a dostana animal. It is as sweet as our baby. Yes, tuti sweet youth's own baby. But and are the best friends. Tomasish when Banemut best friend, you know. The wife went away and the farmer have nothing to do in the house. Khandari se dry bazar kun sabziani. And when use farmer society behet, magraitis ka kumi. Decided to go out and take a look at his field not far away. Em do thoda use emis zमीनोस so कमाई दूर एमसन्स मकानस निश em do basay em okun nazra wazra det He ran into some friends on the way back and did not return for quite some time. दबा इना से आओ न वापस कहीं कैसे कि मिस सम खे पन फ्रेंड तुम से लोग टाइम कत करनस वत करनस एमस लोग वरिया टाइम आज बुर सुबह पर बे